If you own long-term care insurance already, you might have a false sense of security. Look, buying long-term care insurance is something I'm a huge advocate of. But here's the thing that happens. You place coverage typically based on the current risk, current cost of care. But that's going to change over time. If you look back, it's shown that long-term care expenses has risen at a rate much more significant than regular inflation. So if you bought a policy, let's say 10 years ago, odds are that that policy you put in place is enough coverage to take care of maybe half of the nursing expenses today. And as time continues to move on, the percentage of the actual cost that that insurance policy is going to cover is going to get smaller and smaller unless you put in place inflation protection, which is a clause that says that the insurance policy is going to keep growing its benefits over time. So here's the thing, either way, I highly recommend once a year when you get your annual statement, you take a moment to review it. Look to see, are your benefits growing? And whether they are or are not, are your benefits adequate enough to pay out and cover caregiving expenses at the same rate that you need to feel comfortable and protected? Make sure you go to sleep at night without a false sense of security, but an ironclad plan that will take care of all of those needs if anything happens.